Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah, hope I get...
Oh my God, my Shayla, my Shayla.
I don't know. I feel like it's kind of mean to keep them inside for their whole lives. But that's just my...
If it isn't the consequences of my own actions, you can't have it back.
Get the fuck out of here. Okay, get the fuck out.
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please. No.
Ballerina cappuccina. Me, 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 me.
Iguodala to Curry, back to Iguodala, up for the layup. Oh, blocked by James.
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.